Good afternoon, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach. You're looking at an all-new 2019 Boston Whaler 16 Sport. New model for us here in the Boston Whaler family. Got great looks, great lines, comfortable seats, galvanized trailer, bimini top, nice removable cooler seat here, the optional bucket seats, great storage. Swim ladder is now up on the actual platform of the boat. It says the 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke on it. This is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Boston Whaler here dealer in South Florida. Again, this is a 2019 Boston Whaler 16 Sport. One quick look around. It's a great little sport boat. Thanks for looking today. Give us a call 954-783-9555.